Here's how to remove the Threads badge on your Instagram profile. Now, you might have just downloaded and installed the new Threads app, an Instagram app, but if you hop into the Instagram app and tap on your profile button at the bottom right, you can see right under my name is a little Threads symbol, and it says that I am just over the 30 millionth user on the Threads app. Maybe you don't want it on here, or you think it's just cool on there. Maybe you want to keep it, but you can always just tap on it. And again, it says that I am approximately just over the 30 millionth user in less than 24 hours. And it says this is a temporary badge that lets your followers know. You can either tap view Threads profile, or at the very bottom, you can tap the hide badge. And then it says, are you sure you can add this back to your profile? Once removed, you can just hit this remove badge. Keep in mind, it does say that this is temporary. Basically, this is Instagram/Meta's way of pushing anybody that sees your Instagram profile over to the Threads app because they want to have a widespread adoption from Instagram over to the Threads app, and it wants to push people over there. So just hit that remove badge and it will remove it from your Instagram profile. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.